Many traders lose money because they draw support and resistance levels emotionally. One trader sees support at one level, another trader sees it somewhere else, and this confusion often leads to poor trading decisions. But what if your chart could automatically show strong support and resistance zones without any guesswork? In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple concept called the support and resistance zone trap strategy, using the Donchian Channel indicator. This strategy works on 15-second candles with a 1-minute expiry, and the idea is to identify moments when price tries to break a level but suddenly gets rejected. These rejection moments often reveal where the market is trapping traders and can create short-term trading opportunities. Before we begin, please remember that trading involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always practice on a demo account before trading with real money. If you find this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin with the chart setup. First, open your trading platform and switch the chart to 15-second candles, because this strategy focuses on fast market reactions. Set the expiry time to 1 minute. Next, add the Donchian Channel indicator and set the period to 20. Once applied, you will see two lines on the chart. The upper line acts as dynamic resistance, and the lower line acts as dynamic support. The advantage of Donchian channels is that they automatically update support and resistance zones based on recent price movement, helping remove emotional decision-making from the chart. Now let's understand the main concept. Markets often try to break support or resistance levels. Many traders expect the breakout to continue, but very often the market creates a false breakout where price touches the level and quickly reverses. This reversal traps breakout traders and can create short-term trading opportunities. This is exactly what we try to capture with the support and resistance zone trap strategy. Let's look at the buy setup. When price moves downward and touches the lower Donchian band, watch the candle formation carefully. If the candle rejects the level and forms a long lower wick, it means buyers are pushing the price upward. This rejection may appear as a pin bar, doji, or bullish engulfing candle. After the candle closes, enter a buy trade at the open of the next candle with a 1-minute expiry. Now let's look at the sell setup. When price moves upward and touches the upper Donchian band, this area acts as resistance. If the candle forms a long upper wick, it shows that the market rejected higher prices and sellers push the price downward. This rejection may appear as a pin bar, doji, or bearish engulfing candle. After the rejection candle closes, enter a sell trade at the open of the next candle with a 1-minute expiry. To help you understand this strategy better, I have also created a free PDF guide that explains the setup and confirmation rules step by step. You can download it using the link in the video description. Now let's move to the chart and look at some live examples of this strategy in action. At this point on the chart, price moved strongly upward and reached the upper Donchian band, which acts as a dynamic resistance zone. Whenever price touches this area, we expect the market to either break through or reject the level. If you look carefully at the candle that formed here, you can see a doji candle with a long upper wick. This long wick shows that price tried to move higher, but sellers quickly pushed the price back down. This type of candle tells us that the market is rejecting higher prices and that the resistance zone is holding. Because of this rejection signal, I waited for the candle to close, and then I entered a sell trade at the open of the next candle with a 1-minute expiry. Now let's see what happened after the trade was placed. After entering the trade, the next candle initially moved slightly upward for a moment. This kind of small movement is very normal in trading, and it happens frequently. However, the important thing to observe is that price did not break above the resistance level again. Instead, the market started showing selling pressure. You can see that the next candles began to move downward, confirming that the earlier rejection from the Donchian resistance zone was genuine. This is exactly the type of reaction we expect when a false breakout trap occurs near resistance. As the candles continued to move downward, the trade remained in the expected direction until the expiry time arrived. The market respected the resistance zone, and the rejection signal from the long upper wick worked exactly as the strategy anticipates. At this point on the chart, price moved strongly upward and reached the upper Donchian band, which acts as a dynamic resistance zone in this strategy. Whenever price touches this level, we start watching the candle behavior very carefully because the market can either break the resistance or reject it. In this case, you can see that after the strong bullish move, the next candle formed near the upper Donchian boundary and began showing rejection from the top area. This type of reaction tells us that buyers tried to push the price higher, but sellers quickly stepped in and defended the resistance zone. Because of this rejection near the Donchian resistance level, I entered a sell trade at the open of the next candle with a 1-minute expiry. Now the important question is what happens next, because the market does not always move instantly after the entry. So let's watch how the trade develops. After entering the trade, the market initially paused for a moment, which is completely normal. Very often after a strong move upward, price needs a few candles to decide the next direction. However, the key thing to observe here is that the price failed to move above the previous high and the Donchian resistance level. Instead, the candles started showing increasing selling pressure. Gradually, the market began moving downward, confirming that the earlier move upward was losing strength and that the resistance zone was respected by the market. As the candles continued to move lower, the trade stayed in the expected direction until the expiry time approached. The resistance level held strong, and the earlier rejection signal proved to be a reliable indication that the upward momentum was weakening. In the next example, I will show you another setup so you can see how this strategy behaves in different market conditions. At this point on the chart, the market had been moving strongly downward, and price reached the lower Donchian band, which acts as a dynamic support zone in this strategy. Whenever price touches this area after a strong drop, we watch the candle behavior carefully to see whether the market will continue falling or reject the level. Here you can see that price touched the lower Donchian band and then showed rejection from the support area, indicating that selling pressure was starting to slow down. Because of this reaction near the support zone, I entered a buy trade at the open of the next candle with a 1-minute expiry. Now let's see how the market reacted after the entry. After the trade was placed, the market paused briefly, which is very common after a strong downward move. However, the important observation here is that price did not break below the support level again. Instead, the candles began to move slightly upward, showing that buyers were stepping into the market and the support zone was being respected. This type of movement often confirms that the earlier downward momentum is weakening. As the candles continued to develop, the market maintained its upward reaction from the support area until the expiry time arrived. The support level held successfully, and the rejection from the lower Donchian band helped identify the short-term reversal point. So this is how the support and resistance zone trap strategy using the Donchian channel works. As you saw in the chart examples, the key idea is to watch how price reacts when it reaches the upper or lower Donchian boundaries. When the market rejects these zones with clear candle behavior, it can reveal short-term opportunities in the opposite direction. However, it is very important to remember that no trading strategy works perfectly in every market condition. Always focus on proper risk management and practice the strategy on a demo account before trading with real money. If you want to understand this strategy more clearly, I have created a detailed PDF guide that explains the setup, entry rules, and important guidelines step by step. You can download it for free using the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video on SAM Trading Strategies.